Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. Last day we discussed about the theory part or rules, or we can say rules regulation of the calendar problem. Okay, so today we are going to solve few problems, and all these problems are very important and as well as very basic problems of the calendar. Okay, let's start the first one. It is given what was the day of week 16th July 1776. So 16th July 1776 means we can write 1775. Okay, after that from 1st January to 16th July of 1776. Okay, now 1775 means we can write 1600 plus 100 plus 75 and plus January to 16th July, and January means we know 31 days. Okay, but before that now from January to 16th July means January means we know 31 days. After that February 1776, is it divisible by 4? So 4 4s are 16, 17 4 4s are 16, 16 4 4s are 16. So it is divisible by 4. So in case of that, February contains 29 days. January, February, March, April, May, June. June means 30 days, and July of 16th July. Okay, these days and these years, these are the days and these are the years. Okay, now we know in 1600 years how many odd days are there? So 0 odd days are there. And in 100 years, how many odd days are there? We know, already I mentioned in the last class. In 100 years 5 odd days are there. 200 years 3 odd days are there. 300 years 1 odd day is there. And in 400 years 0 odd day is there. As 1600 is multiple of 4, so here number of odd day is 0. And in case of 100, how many odd days are there? 5. And after that 75 years are there. So first of all divide 75 by 4. So we can write 4 ones are 4, 3 5. So 4 4s are 4 8s are 32. So 18 years are there. So 18 years, 18 normal year, leap year plus 75 minus 18, that is 7 to 5. So 57 year is normal year. So we may conclude that, and here number of day is 30, suppose this is 60, 120, 180, 180 and 18. So it is coming 198 days. Okay, now 0 plus 5, 5 odd day, plus in 100 leap year. In leap year how many odd days are there? So 2 odd days. So 18 years how many odd days are there? 36. And 75 normal years. So In normal year, how many odd days are there? 1. So 57 normal days. So ultimately it is coming plus 190 days. Okay, so adding all these, 36 plus 57 plus 198. So 41, 198, 57 and 41. So it is coming 8, 8, 16, 1, 10, 9, 1. So it is coming 190 days. So now dividing 196 by 7, 7 to the 14, 5, 6, 7 is a 56. So it is completely divisible by 7. Okay, and completely divisible by 7 means, sorry, there is a mistake, it will be 296. So we can write 7 4s are 28, after that 116, so 7 2s are 14. So ultimately 2 odd days is there, and 2 odd days means days starting from Sunday, and 2 odd days means it will be Tuesday. Understood everyone? So 16th July of 76 will be Tuesday. Okay, now we are coming to the next problem, then it will be easier for all of you. Our next problem is, what was the day of week on 15th August 1947? That means our Independence Day. So 15th August 1947 means, again we write as 1947 as 19 years, after that 46 years, after that 1st January to 15th August of 1947. Okay, now 19 years means we can write 1600 plus 300 years, because we know 1600 means 0 odd day and 300 means 1 odd day. After that 46 years means, dividing 46 by 4, we can see 11 leap year is there in between 46 years. So 11 leap year, after that rest of the years, that is 35 normal year is there. Okay, and from 1st January to 15 August of 1947, how many days are there? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, after that 15th August. So for 16 years, how many odd days are there? We know 0. For 300 years, how many odd days are there? 1. For 11 leap year, how many odd days are there? In 1 leap year, 2 odd days are there, so 11 into 2. After that, in normal year, 1 odd day is there, so 35 into 1 odd days. After that, adding all these days, we can say it is 227 days. Now, adding all these 0 plus 1, 11 into 2, that is 22, and 35 into 1, that is 35, and 2 to 7, that means this is the total number of odd days. So adding all this, we can say 285 odd days. Now divide this by 7, 7 4s are 28, that is 40. So remainder is 5. So how many odd days are there? 5 odd days are there. So 5 odd days means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So day will be Friday of 15th August of 1947. Okay, we are going to solve one more problem. Let's see. Now we are coming to the next problem. What was the day of week on 16th April 2020? Now 16th April 2020, this 2000. Okay, 16 April 2000. Now 16 April 2000 means we can write simply we can write 1999 plus up to 16th April of 2020. 1999 year, and 1999 year means we can write 1600 year plus 300 year plus 99 year. Okay. After that, from 1st January to 16th April of 2020. Now 1600 year, as we write, 300 means 300. Now 99, dividing 99 by 4, we can see result is 24. So 24 leap year is there, and rest of the years, that is 99 minus 24, that is 75 ordinary year is there. And how many days are there from 1st January to 16 April? January 31 days, after that February 29 days, as it's a leap year divisible by 4. After that March and 16 April. Okay, 16 days. So, and in 1600 years, how many odd days are there? 0 odd day. 300 year means 1 odd day, and 24 leap year means 2 into 24, that is 48 odd day, and ordinary means 75 into 1, and adding all these we can see 104. So how many odd days are there? 0 plus 1, 1, 24 into 2, 48, 75 into 1, 75, and 107. So adding all this we can see 231 is coming, and after that dividing 231 by 7 we can see no remainder is there. No remainder is there means we can say 0 remainder is there, that means 0 odd day is there, and 0 odd day means we know day of 16 April of 2020 is Sunday. Okay, so today up to this much, everyone go through it and try to solve the same type of problems. Thank you and have a nice day.